come here. Let me tell you a secret. You can't get any deals if you don't make any offers. I'm gonna show you in this video how to make 5 offers every single day in under 10 minutes. Check this out. Hey guys, it is Brent Daniels, Mr. TTP, known as America's most proactive real estate coach. In this video, I'm not just talking about making verbal offers. I am talking about sending blind offers to your warm-ish and dead leads, okay? Listen to me. Don't send blind offers to your hot leads. They will only leverage it to get a higher bid on the deals that you're trying to go after. This is not for people that are in your lead pipeline that you're actively following up with. This is the whole intention of sending written offers to distressed property owners that tell you no, they don't want to sell their house or they don't want to sell it for a long time, is to just plant the seed. You want that offer saved somewhere where they keep it. And on a rainy day, when the stress is just overwhelming, they pick it up and they call you. It's more of a marketing piece than anything else. So I don't want you to get into comping all the properties. I don't want you to get into like doing all the homework on them. No, I'm going to show you how to be very, very simple but strategic with the blind offers that I want you to send. Because let me tell you a story. I talked to this gentleman and he said there was no way he was going to sell his property. And listen to me, this was a deal machine lead, okay? This was a driving for dollars lead. And this property was a junkyard, like literally a junkyard. It was terrible. It was the blight of the neighborhood. It was the scar on the street of this beautiful neighborhood. Everybody thought that this property, something needed to happen. Well, the gentleman wouldn't move. He liked the way that he lived. He owned it free and clear. He inherited it from his family. He wasn't going to sell. So I said, fine. But I knew at some point he'd have to sell the property, or the family would have to sell the property because the violations on it, because of the neighborhood pressure, and just maybe just something changed in their life. Well, unfortunately, the gentleman passed away, and his sister calls me up 3 years later. 3 years later, she called me up and said, hey, I've got this contract. Is it still valid? Will you still honor the terms of this contract? That's what I am talking about. What I'm talking about is plant the seed. Let them have the opportunity to call you when the timing is right. Okay? Now this is people that are mad and they're screaming at you, and they're really, the condition of the property is the most important thing to look at here. I'll tell you another secret. Like and subscribe to this channel. We put out 3 hot videos every single week. Listen, people's life situations change all the time. People get divorced. People get remarried. People are going through, they owe property taxes. They're going through pre-foreclosure. Those things can change. They can clean those things up. If the property is in totally, the property needs complete renovations and repairs, you need to send offers to every single one of those properties. Listen to me. Your deal machine list of the worst houses on the street, get an offer every single year. You can send an offer every single quarter if you want to. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do it really, really, really fast. But don't overthink it, okay? So one, the first list that I want you to send offers to, blind offers to, when they tell you no after you've reached out to them, even if you haven't reached out to them, you can do this. But this channel is about proactive real estate professionals, okay? This is about those people out there that are gonna make it happen. They're on offense. That's you. That's the only reason you'd be watching this, right? If you want to watch something on waiting around for business, you'd watch somebody on direct mail or pay-per-click or whatever other, silver bullet that they think there is. But there's the proactive people. You send offers to all of the people that you talk to that say no. And if you're putting in an hour of calls a day, there should be at least 5 people that you talk to that say, no way, they never want to sell their property, you're going to send an offer to every single one of them. Now, starting out, if you want to make it super easy, just make sure that you print out a contract, fill it in, handwrite it, I don't care, print out a stack of 100 of them. Let's call, you're making 100 offers in a month, print out 100 offers, okay, and just write them out. Lick the envelope, put the stamp on, and send it to them and forget about it. Just make sure that there's a big phone number on there that lets them know to call you. Do a little cover letter that just says, this is who you are, this is the offer, and this is your phone number. Make it very simple. You don't have to get flowery. You don't have to like start to try to persuade them to take the offer with your cover letter. No, the cover letter is only to put your phone number on it. And I suggest you put your phone number at the bottom of every single page of your contract. Listen, this is not going to be the contract that you use for the transaction. This is a marketing piece to have them call you again. Now, will some people sign it and send it back to you? Potentially. Potentially, especially vacant land. I'm telling you, I've done 50 deals where they just sent us back the contract after signing it with vacant land. It's absolutely incredible. I'll do a different video on that. But for this one, we're talking about sending it to these ugly houses. Put the phone number on the bottom of it. Make sure your number's big on the cover sheet and send it to it and forget it. Okay? Listen, people will start calling you back. Listen, you know as well as I do that if you don't send any offers, you won't get any deals. So if you do send offers, you will get deals. They will fall into your lap. Now, is this going to make you a millionaire? No. Is this going to change your life forever? No. Well, maybe. It depends on the deal size. But this will get you an extra 2, 3, 5, 10 deals every single year. And that could be the difference between quitting your full-time job and going full-time into this or not, right? So do it. Now, the next step is you can use a service called Click to Mail. Okay, it is so incredibly easy. It's actually attached to our CRM. So I don't know the intricacies of it. I can't break it down for you and show you exactly what to do with it because it's already connected into our Podio. But get into Click to Mail, start playing around with it. Basically what it does is you fill in the information, press send, it puts it in an envelope, sends it to them, stamp the whole thing. You don't have to print out anything, you don't have to fill out anything, you don't have to buy a bunch of stamps, and you can just do it like clockwork. It's a phenomenal service. They got an app for it. It's really user friendly. If you need any information, reach out to them. Okay? So that's it. You want to make sure that you are sending offers to every single person that tells you no, that you're talking to, and to every ugly property on your deal machine list or your driving for dollars list. If you don't have the budget to the $40 for deal machine a month, then just the list that you write out, just send them mail and wait for those calls to come in. I am telling you, that deal from 3 years ago, I made $38,000 on from a 50-cent stamp that I sent out and completely forgot about it. We get deals all the time coming back in. That's the most exaggerated one, so that's my example, but we still get deals every single month from this. So make sure that you are being diligent. Make sure that you are making a goal to send out 5 offers, written offers, every single day. And the price, that's the last part. The price that I want you to put on here is very simple. Go to Zillow, okay? Get the Zestimate. If the property is over $150,000 as the estimate on Zillow, then give them 66%. Just times it by 0.66, and that's the price. Send it to them. It doesn't matter. That price is only to start the conversation. You can lowball it, but get in the range so that they'll give you a call. Don't give them like $1,000 unless it's like a $15,000 house. If it's under $150,000, then calculate it by 0.5, 50% of that estimate. That's the price that you want to put on those offers. It's enough to entice them a little bit, and when the time comes, they are going to give you a call. You're going to get opportunities falling into your lap out of nowhere. I'm telling you, it's absolutely incredible. So we're getting lists. We're getting them skip traced. We're calling them. When they say no, we're going to send them a blind offer. And then we're going to get all those people back. We're going to get those deals. You're going to make an extra deal every single month or an extra 10 deals a year, whatever it is. Stay diligent to it. You got this. If you're interested in joining the most proactive group in real estate investing, it is the TTP program. Go to ttptribe.com, ttptribe.com. Check it out. Literally go through it like with a fine-tooth comb. Make sure you understand what the program is about. Look at the testimonials. If it feels good in your gut, sign up for a call. It'll be the best 45-minute call. It'll either be with me or my right-hand guy. We look forward to it. Till next time. See ya.